Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Jennifer Stay. This is Coloring Bliss and I have a question for you. Do you own the Prismacolor Premier full set of color pencils? Do you own them and feel like you're not getting the most out of those pencils? The most beautiful color combinations, the best layering and blending? If that's how you feel about your Prismacolor pencils, then I have an amazing new product that we have been working for years on here at Coloring Bliss, and I'm proud to show it to you and announce it to you today. It's Prismacolor Bliss, a companion guide for the full set of Prismacolor Premier pencils. I'm so excited. Look at that beautiful cover. This was colored with Prismacolor pencils. I'm so excited. Look at this book. We're going to talk all about this book here in a minute, but there's a couple things you need to know. First off, to celebrate the release of this beautiful new book, we are doing a huge, massive giveaway. This giveaway is worth almost $200, and the main beautiful part of this giveaway is this beautiful box right here, a full set of Prismacolor Premier pencils for one of you. Now I'm going to tell you more about this giveaway in a little bit here, but I just wanted to let you know that that's the plan. We're going to celebrate by giving one of you this set of Prismacolor Premier pencils. So follow the link in the video description and I'll tell you more about this giveaway here in just a minute. Now, the very first thing I want to tell you is that we are not sponsored by Prismacolor. I am a legit, real Prismacolor girl. I love my Prismacolor Premier pencils so much. In fact, if I was to go to a desert island by myself and could only bring one art supply, it would be my full set of Prismacolor Premier pencils. That's how much I love them. Now I know they have their faults, but that's okay because they're pros. They're things that make them so amazing, way outweigh the cons of the Prismacolor Premiers. And that's why I recommend Prismacolor pencils to everyone, because I think it will change the way you do your art once you get that kind of quality pencil in your hand. Okay, so let's go look at the book now so I can show you all the things that I have created for you in this book to get the most out of your full set. That's what it says here, Companion Guide to the 150 Set of Prismacolor Premier Pencils. And if you're wondering, yes, this book includes the two new colors that came out at the end of 2022, those two beautiful purples. We've got that all worked in here to this book, so you're all up to date with the full set of Prismacolor pencils. Let's take a peek inside really quick. You're going to see, let's look at the contents real quick. You'll see that in this book we have an introduction to Prismacolor pencils, a little bit about their history, their pros and cons, because there are both pros and cons when it comes to this line of pencils. I give you some recommended supplies to have along with your color pencils so that you can do all the beautiful techniques that you're looking for. And I give you some tips on basic use and care. Now, when we get into section 4, that's when things get really exciting to me in this book. And I will flip to that section. Look, we even include a color wheel tool to help you pick color schemes. So cool. Okay, here it is, section 4. Now, like I said, I know that people love to purchase smaller sets of color pencils that give them specific things that they need, like a pastel set, or like a nature set, or really popular is a skin tone or portrait type set. So what I've done is I've gone through the entire set of color pencils here with Prismacolor and created these sets for you. There's 10 swatch charts in here that will break it into different groups. The first group is the full set. You get to see all 150, including those two new purples, all in beautiful color wheel order. We worked really hard to get this into a very good, very useful order. And then after that, you get to see them in portrait colors. Look at that. That's a little sneak peek for you of all the beautiful portrait colors that you have already in your set. Here is the nature group. Look how beautiful the pastel tint groups look. so pretty. And when I was doing the pastel tints, I couldn't help but create a dark shade colors. This is such a masculine, autumn, beautiful, deep set of colors that you're going to love to use. And then we have this specialized set that shows off some very specific pencils that come in the set, like the neons and the grays. They're all here in the specialized set. And then we get into even more fun things. This is the 36 Tri-Tones. So we have found a light, medium, and dark for every color on the color wheel. And this has been updated as well with our new purple colors. And then we have something brand new that we have never shown before, and that is the tertiary alternatives. So for every one of the tertiary colors, that's like yellow green and blue green and red violet, we have come up with an alternative. So you'll have two choices. When you want to use blue green, you'll have two different ways to use blue green. One leans a little blue, one leans a little green. It's so pretty, and it opens up so many possibilities. That's all right here in the 36 tertiary alternative colors. And then up here, this is what I call my 48 essentials. So let's say you're going on vacation, you don't want to take the full 150 pencils, but you want to take a smaller set that will give you a little bit of everything. That's what's in here. So you can get yourself a pencil roll, load it up with these 48 pencils, and you know you can color almost anything. Skin, trees, water, all of it can be colored with this 48 right here. And then we've included blank swatches because we know that as you dive into the 150 Prismacolor set, you're going to want to create your own groupings. You'll find maybe your favorite combo for carnations, like I did here on the front of this book, and you'll want to keep track of those types of combinations. So that's why we've included blank swatches. Now let me tell you also that this beautiful book has been printed on multiple kinds of paper. So back here are your swatches with all these different groups that I just mentioned, and then we also have included some coloring pages, 5 different coloring pages, 5 different feels. So one is floral, one is landscape, one is more portrait, so that you can really practice with these groups and get the most out of your pencils, so when you move to another project, you'll feel very confident with your pencils. There's 2 ways to get this book. One is as a digital version. That's a download that you can get right now if you want to. There's a link in the video description. Purchase that digital download and it's yours and you're ready to go. Now there's a way to get that for free, and I'm going to tell you about that here in just a minute. But there's a second way of getting this book, and it would look just like this, a printed version that we print and self-publish here at Coloring Bliss. And it's amazing, the kind of quality of the paper and the printing in it. You're going to want the physical version so that you can keep it with your pencils. It's awesome. This version right here is selling for $41.99 here in the US, and the digital version is selling for $19.99. But let me tell you, if you want to get it for free, all you need to do is come on over to Coloring Bliss and become a member of the Coloring Academy. And another reason you want to become a member of the Coloring Academy is not just to get that book for free, several other books for free, and a ton of downloads, but you'll also get a video series that is going to support this book. We're going to publish that in the next upcoming weeks. All about this book, how to fill out the swatch charts, how to color into those pages with the different selections of pencils. It's going to be an amazing video series, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now you've made it to the end of this video, and we need to talk about this giveaway because it's almost $200 worth of products that we're going to give you. First off is that beautiful set. This one right here is going to go to one of you. A full set, brand new, of Prismacolor Premier pencils. That's the first part of this giveaway. Second up, I have the 2 new colors. We wanted to make sure that when we say you've got the full set, you have the full set. So you'll get these 2 beautiful brand new 2022 colors to go with this box set right here. And I'm also going to include these right here. These are the beautiful Prismacolor colorless blenders. They're part of the Prismacolor line. They have a Prismacolor name and everything. So they need to be in this full set because I'll show you how to use them in those companion videos that I'll be producing soon. But you'll love them, so you better have them with your full set. Now also we're going to include this book right here, printed on all the beautiful paper so that you can try out your full set of color pencils in this book. It's so cool. And then I have another gift that we're including on this giveaway, and that's this book right here. And I'm going to talk about this book in an upcoming video. But basically, this book is going to organize your pencils again into 252 different color schemes, so that as you're coloring beautiful dresses and you need a new color, we can help you pick the ones that will look really good together and make you feel very confident with your color picking. This is an epic book just in and of itself that we need to spend more time on, and we'll do that here in a future video. So, but this one's also available, right, Steve? They can come and get it right away.
And it's updated.
And oh, that's right. Steve updated it with the new colors, and it's a new layout inside the book too that we think is a little bit more logical and more user-friendly. So that's very exciting too. So all of these gifts together come to almost $200. And what a cool gift that I get to give to one of you. So follow the link in the video description. Now I'm going to do the scam alert because I don't want any of you to get scammed. We have active scammers working in our YouTube comments. So do not fall for their tricks. Number one, and most important, we will never ask you for money. If you win a prize with us with Coloring Bliss, we are going to pay for shipping. We put all this in a beautiful box and send it off to you. You don't have to worry about paying a penny because it's a prize. You won it. You shouldn't have to pay a penny. So if you get contacted by someone that says you won and they want some money for shipping or whatever their excuse is, that's a scam. Do not listen to them. Run away. Now, secondly, we will only announce the winner via email on the date that I'm going to tell you. We do not announce winners or contact winners through YouTube or through a program called Telegram. We've had scammers using Telegram and pretending to be us. So do not fall for that, okay? So this giveaway starts today, August 23rd, 2023, and ends September 13th, 2023, and we will announce the winner on September 14th. Okay, so don't expect any announcements prior to that, but do expect to be very excited and get all your entries in. There's lots of different ways to enter, and I can't wait to give away this prize to one of you. So thank you so much for joining us for this video to announce our new book and to get this giveaway started. Now remember, we have upcoming videos where we're going to dive deep into both of the books that are included in the giveaway, and you've got plenty of ways to enter this giveaway. So make sure you follow all the links in the video description. Watch for your emails that Steve sends out so that you will get all the up-to-date information that you need to stay on top of this amazing giveaway. I'm so excited. And if you're watching this video when the giveaway is over, don't dismay. Just make sure you subscribe to our channel, that you hit that like button, and that you turn your notifications on so that you don't miss out on a future upcoming giveaway. Also, come on over to Coloring Bliss and become a free member so you get our emails, and then you won't ever miss anything that we announce and do here at Coloring Bliss. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you all have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone!